This is an O21 in good condition mechanically, but unfortunately it's been allowed to dry out when taken out of the boat when it's been run on seawater. As you can see here, lots of rusty scale, which is expanded to the extent it's broken away this bottom edge here. It's all completely gone. There's a crack you can see there. There's a crack in the block here where the water pump attaches. Such a shame. That's what salt water does. Here's where the cooling water enters the engine. You can see the crack here and here, and another one there, and very messy inside here. And here is the manifold of that engine. Damage there, rust, and there's the head, showing a big piece here, which is about to fall away. And other cracks in the head as well. The head is in otherwise good condition. So if you take your engine out of the boat and it's been run on seawater, make sure that you fill the waterways, or flush them first, fill the waterways with fresh water or oil. Otherwise this will happen to your engine.